Hey y'all, it's Kennedishianne and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, it's been a minute, but today I'm gonna be giving y'all a tutorial on this long, extra long braid with the curled ends and these Jayda inspired baby hairs. So if you're curious to see how I got this look, make sure to keep watching this video. So I'm starting off with blow dried hair. My hair is like a week old, but it doesn't have that much product in it, so I didn't really need to wash it. And then you're gonna get some of your baby hairs and a little bit of adult hairs, and this is what you're gonna be using to do the Jayda edges. Alright, so your hair should already be detangled, so I'm just taking my hot comb and I'm just doing it around the perimeter of my head just so it can smooth out and just be a little bit straighter and easier to sleek into the ponytail. Nail break. Obsessed. Okay, so once you got your ponytail where you want it to be, you're gonna go in with the Got2Be Glue Freeze spray, and you're just gonna spray that over your head so that you can sleek your hair back. I would suggest to one, not use too much spray because you don't want your hair reverting, and two, to do it in sections just so that it's easier to manage. So now we're into the braiding portion of the video. So you just want to take the hair out of the pack, and it comes in like a little rubber band. So you just want to take that rubber band and just put it around your actual ponytail. And before you start braiding your ponytail, you want to leave out a piece that's thick enough for you to wrap around at the end. But other than that, you just want to start braiding your real hair along with the braiding hair. Okay, so I tried to add some curls to the end of the braid, and now I'm dipping the braid in hot water because that's what I see everybody else. No, I'm just kidding. But that's because, one, I do be seeing everybody else do it, but two, I believe that it, like, I guess it sets the braid in place. Now you're just gonna take the piece of hair that you left out in the beginning, and you're just gonna spray some Got2Be Glued on there, and then you're gonna wrap that around the front of the ponytail where you can see the hair tie, and then you're just gonna blow dry it. So now we're getting into the baby hair part of this tutorial. So you just want to take your heat protectant and you just want to put that over the baby hair that you left out. And I left out some hair in the back to curl, so I'm going to put that on that as well. So now you're just going to take your flat iron and you're going to section off your baby hairs, and then you're just going to curl them towards you. Just curl them towards you, and after you've done that, kind of try not to touch it so that it can set into place. So before I gel down my baby hairs, I just kind of play with them to see like what looks I'm gonna make or how it's gonna look. And yeah, you just want to play with them for a little bit and see what you want to do. And then I go in with my edge booster, and I only put the edge control at the top part of the baby hair because you still want to have that soft look that comes off of your scalp. So you just want to only put it at the top. Alright, y'all. It took me a minute to do my baby hair. So if you can guess how long it actually took me to do it, I'ma cash app you $10. Alright, it's giving braid out and not curl, but it's still cute though. What is here? We still got cute little curls at the end. Y'all, I was just so happy the style came out cute. Like, that really be the best feeling for real. Alright, y'all, that is the end of this video, and I really hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I think this style is so cute. It really was worth putting heat on my edges. Like, to be honest with y'all, it's so cute. It's the curls for me. It's giving girly. It's giving soft. It's cute. I like this. I really do like this. It's really simple, a really easy protective style. You know, the hair was like $2, so baddie on a budget for sure. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.